Hi guys, so for today's video we are gonna be playing Melon Sandbox Bat Horror Game. So guys, I am so ready. So guys, that is just a video of the TV. Sorry guys, I make annoying sounds. Okay? Don't be angry guys. There is Oh, what is this? Ah! Oh, I can jump on it. Oh, it moves. Okay. Okay, there's a tomato can. So what should I do here in here? What is this? Can I open this box? Well, I cannot. How can I break the brick walls? With a hammer? Well, no. I guess this is a window. Well, this is a window, guys. Ouch! Someone hurt me. That's okay, guys.
Who hurt you?
You, Mom.
Who?
Okay, I just broke the glass. Okay, guys. So make sure to jump in it.
Tinatawag kita, hindi ka sumasagot. Sira ulo ka.
Sorry, guys. I am in Philippines right now, and I learned how to speak in English. Okay, guys, let's go in this hole. Whoa! Whoa! Oh my goodness! We escaped! Yay! We